friends, so today our topic it is Materia Pecans. Materia Pecans means the material cause of the disease. कोई भी disease का material cause उसको हम बोलेंगे Materia Pecans. This concept of the cause of the disease being something material has come from the allopathic school of the medicine. In allopathic system of the medicine, the cause of the disease are the bacteria, virus and other microorganisms. And they also consider that the disease itself as something material in nature. Allopathic system में क्या है कि disease ही एक material है. That is the ulcer, warts, tumor, eruption, etc. These are the disease according to the allopathic system of the medicine. Putting it in simple words, that the allopathic system are considered that the cause of the disease and the disease itself as something that can be with the naked eye or with the help of the microscope we can see. Now, according to the homeopathy, this is not true. ये सच नहीं है. In homeopathy, we consider that the disease caused due to the dearrangement of the vital force. होम्योपैथी में हम ऐसा बिलीव करते हैं कि disease dearrangement of vital force की वजह से हुआ है. The bacteria, virus and other microorganisms are not the cause of the disease. Similarly, the ulcer, warts, eruption, etc. are not the disease, but the result of the disease. Now, in aphorism number 13, Dr. Honeyman has stated that the disease considered as it is by the allopathist as the thing separate from the living whole, from the organism, and it is animating the vital force and hidden into the interior, be it of ever so subtle, a character is an obscurity. The allopaths consider the disease to have the separate material, existent something that can exist and can be shown outside the human body. Allopathic के अकॉर्डिंग क्या है डिजीज़ की जो एक सेपरेट मटेरियल है. Dr. Honeyman says that the disease cannot have the separate existence outside the human body. Dr. Honeyman के अकॉर्डिंग डिजीज़ वो सेपरेट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है outside the human body. So we can say that there are no disease but only the diseased individuals. So the homeopathy considered the dearrangement of the vital force as the cause of the disease.